it should probably need less pumps.
There's a child on my lap. This is a bad idea. Oh, what's this? Hey, what's happening? What is happening right now? Hold on, one sec, Frankie. Seems unnecessary.
Is that makeover?
Kind of.
Really?
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
Have you ever done this before?
But that hurts.
Fingers. Oh, it's crunchy.
Oh, it's good. At least
It's
on that
just
side it was.
black residue.
Daddy.
Wait, what's happening? What's happening?
Just you literally made it up.
Makeover?
Yeah, it sure is. This just turned into a makeover.
Are we even supposed to do it?
It might just be your eyebrows.
It's probably true. So what's going on
Just
here?
close your eyes and then I'll tell you when to open them.
This part I like.
This is just like a...
Obviously, just a glam spray.
Yeah.
Nothing new about this. I use this in my beard all the time.
You was that at one time, Daddy?
I love you.
Okay.
I
So can we admit that you feel great?
I feel great.
Do you really?
Yeah, I think my skin feels the best.
Doesn't he look handsome?